million company, 100% automated with an operating system that runs my business. Single founder, no employees. So right now, I built myself a co-founder. The co-founder is an operating agent within my business that's AGI based, who is there for me to bounce off ideas with and challenge my ideas and tell me why they will not work. And then come back and self-learn and tell me what its ideas are and why that would work versus mine. He's a co-founder. That's what co-founders do. And if we're on the same page, obviously it's something we run with. We run fast. I've also built out a CMO, a chief marketing officer for my business. And my chief marketing officer, his job is brand awareness, lead generation. Next I'm building out is my chief sales officer, who's going to be responsible for revenue, targets, and sales teams, and the sales teams that we built underneath him. Then I've got my CIO, which I'm building out next as well. He manages data, my entire info system, my structure, IT. Then I've got my chief technology officer. I'm building him out probably in month 3. That's the target. He's going to do everything on the back end with regards to our operations, technology, making sure that everything works, everything fits, anything that needs patching. He's also going to be looking for like vulnerabilities, for hacks, etc., data breaches. That's his job. And then I've got my COO, Chief Operations Officer. Now, when I built these out, I wanted to build them out based on what real people do in real world who have these jobs working for businesses that do 150 to 250 million a year. That's what I was looking for. I didn't want to build something out and just be nonchalant. I wanted, like, if I was to go to IBM and IBM was looking for a CMO, what would be the CMO's roles and responsibilities in that position at IBM? And then all I did was I took what qualifications IBM looks for when they're hiring a CMO and dumped it into my business. Did the same thing with my chief sales officer. This is my CMO. This is my CMO. His name is Gary V. Sound familiar? My CMO is Gary Vaynerchuk. I use AGI to go through 20 years of Gary Vaynerchuk stuff, and then I dumped it in my business. So now Gary Vaynerchuk works for me. Everything he's ever done online in 20 years is now implemented in my business. Here's what Gary does. What Gary does, he's doing this today. He does market research. He scans the internet. He analyzes top posts in any niche, specifically my own.